Hi there, this is Patrick Golder on November 3rd, 2018. This is choreography of I've Been Working on the Railroad for the First Road Dancers. Key, bum, baritone note, bum. Hello neighbor, welcome aboard, all aboard. Yes, everything's fine all along the line. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away, away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, come on! Blow your horn. I've been working railroad 'cause I'm a railroad man. I've been working on the railroad, clickety-clack, fast as I can. Can't you hear the whistle, woo, 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 rise up, man, I hate getting up. Can't you hear the captain shouting, get to work, yes, I'll be working on the railroad all day.